Hi everyone. Yeah, in previous lecture, we have seen the simple EC2 instance how we have with the production level range, not a simple one, but production level range. Now let's explore more EBS additional features, which is KMS encryption for a production level instance, and the data is sensitive. We need to encrypt the EBS volumes, nothing but persistent storage for your server or instance using KMS encryption. Let's see that. Let's wrap this up. So this is the block device mapping. So here actually I've already made a similar uh, I already included this EBS volume. So let me update the let me create new file EC2 02 EBS, right? Oops, we are using YAML format. So let's So the previous lecture we have discussed this, right? From the same file, I will try to modify so that you will get a clear understanding. So EBS volume. Previously we are given volume type and volume size only, but now we are saying encrypted is true. KMS KID, which we will be referring. If no value, it will take the default encryption. If you provide a KMS key, it will use that key. Otherwise, it will take a default encryption, which is fine for us, default Kms encryption. So let me delete this one. So reference is AWS no value means like null value, it's fine, like it will take the default encryption. Iops, deletion or termination, is false. Previously it is true, I mean by default it is true. uh, so you can see by default termination deletion, let me, where is it, storage, encrypted no, KMS KD no, yes, deleted yes. So by default it is true for root volumes. Now what I am doing, like I will basically make it false, that like even after the instance is terminated, shut down, then also this EBS volume will be remain in our account. So that's the benefit of this option. Even for the root volumes, we can retain basically after deleting the instances. Okay. So, and one more feature I wanted to add is Iops. As you know, only certain volume types basically support the Iops. So, what is the volume types? Okay, let me show you the volume types. Monitoring also is a fun feature. Volume types. It is GP2, GP3. This is the volume types basically. These are different volume types: GP2, GP3, IO1, IO2, SC1, ST1, standard. Sorry, this is name of the volume type. It has different meaning. Basically, it has used for certain scenarios, which is not beyond the scope of this lecture. I mean, particular it's not in line with this lecture. So I will discuss in another lecture, another discussion. So GP2, GP3. So some supports basically IOPS. and some does not support IOPS. So volume types like GP2, standard, and SC1, SC2, these things, for this no need to add IOPS, IOPS thing. So conditions are not there. We can add conditions, right? If supports IOPS, and if any of this volume type, then no need to provide any IOPS value. It is AWS no value. I mean, this option is itself not there, so we can just refer no value. Otherwise, provide 100. I mean, just it's an option we generally use for IO1, IO2, these things, which is provided by those volumes only. Anyway, these are the enhancements of ABS volume, which ABS volume in detail, what is or basics and then advanced. Basically, the video, particularly in ABS volume, will be taken separately. But in this video, I want to show how we deal the production level instance with production level ABS volume. So let's quickly deploy this in our CloudFormation stack, and let's see what will happen. So let's update the existing stack. So all came by default, which I don't want to change. Here there is a change set which is being generated. What changes can be made? We can refer here. Replacement is true. Basically, since it is replacing the EBS volume, so if we update, basically if we update security group, uh, or if we update subnet ID, update requires replacement. Actually, new instance page created. So we update tags, no interruption. There is nothing, nothing with the I mean instance. Nothing happens with the instance. Similarly, different types of things are there. Since we updated the root volume, so since we updated the root volume, there is an issue. I mean, there is a not an issue. Basically, there is a update required. Basically, replacement rule, like it will delete the old instance and create the new instance. How it does, like cloud formation, the sense how it does in order, in which order it was done means like it will create the new instance and then delete the old instance. I mean, this instance it will delete after creating new instance. That is how cloud formation will be taken care. So let's see, update in progress. Update complete. So what it is done, if you see EC2 instance, it created new instance and now it is shutting down the old instance, right? Update complete and cleanup in progress and update complete. If we see, so it is not updated. Let's check what is the reason. So everyone like the issue is since your instance will be rolled with you can attach APS volume and store volumes, right? So I tried with another instance. I tried to launch mm, I mean root volume as normally, and with a secondary volume XVDF like there was XVDF. If you give XVDF as root, and I try to launch uh, encrypted volume, so it resulted me in this instance. So volume, first one is root, second one is encrypted volume. This is default encryption KMS, which we haven't provided any. So dev XVDF. So this is how ABS volume device mapping is will work. So that's it for this lecture. Let's continue for AIM instance role and user data in next lectures. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.